All right, let's look at another great tool in the Edge browser, Math Solver. Ready? Okay, guess what? Edge also has some math tools. So remember that three-dot menu? So let's click on it. Let's go down to more tools. And this time we're going to Math Solver. Okay, so it's going to give me some directions the first time. You can say next, next. Now we're going to select a math problem. You could type it in, but let's select it. So right here, it says multiply this. So I'm going to select because I am trying to figure out this problem right here. Once I have it selected, I'm going to click solve. And over here, it has this as my answer. Now it's in a slightly different order, but that doesn't matter. That's going to be part of what I have to figure out. I can do show solution steps. Okay, use distributive property. Now you can see right here, this does in fact match up with how I need. Down here, I can show solution steps. Again, those are identical. All right, so let's look at a different one. So let's go here, solving a linear equation. Let's select a math problem. There we go. Oops, select math problem. Oops. Select math. I don't know why I was having a hard time seeing that cursor. There we go. Solve. Okay, so it shows me as 77 over 34, which that's one of the choices. Show the solution steps. It's going to tell me exactly what was done step by step. Okay, literally, this is a great tool. Let's go back and look at another one. Factoring. So yet more factoring. Let's go to this one. Factor this. So we're going to select the math problem. There we go. Solve it. And here we have solution steps, show solution steps. And it is going to show me step by step what actually goes into getting the solution. How amazing. Okay, so let's close this. Let's go to more tools. Remember, Math Solver. What if I want to type a math problem? It's going to give me a calculator like this with some options. So I could do x squared minus 4x 3. Okay, and then click this arrow. And here we go. Then it shows me the solution steps. Okay, so typing it or selecting it on the screen, Math Solver really does a pretty good job for a lot of equations. All right, so use it, and I hope you enjoy using it as much as I do. And there you have it, Math Solver in the Edge browser. Great possibilities. Hope you love it like I do.